Hey guys, Ali's Tech here, and today we are talking about the Google Assistant. So this is an app from Google and basically lets you make the Google Home anywhere you like. So you download this app called the Google Assistant. Just type Google Assistant into the App Store. Today we're using my Mix S1 speaker. You can go watch the video. So let's go into the app. What's the weather like today?
There'll be snow showers with a forecast high of 2 and a low of -1. Right now it's 1 and cloudy.
Is there going to be snow this week?
Is expected today in Sunderland.
Oh, that's interesting. How is the weather in LA in America?
Angeles, it's 11 degrees and cloudy. It'll be raining today with a forecast high of 16 and a low of 10. There is currently a flash flood watch in effect.
That's interesting. How old are you?
That laughing makes you young, and I love jokes, but I also love facts. I'm not sure what that says about my age.
Sing me happy birthday.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday from Google, happy birthday to you.
Okay, so we can send messages to people. Send a message.
Who do you want to message?
Cancel that.
Okay, no problem.
We can call.
Who do you want to call?
Nobody.
Who do you want to call?
Cancel.
Okay, no problem.
What can you do?
Suggestions. You can say things like, set a timer, or navigate to work.
Look for the Apple HomePod. Sorry, that didn't hear me there. I think it's using my speaker's microphone or something, and it's not very good. I want to buy the Apple HomePod. How much is it? Okay, so it shows me links. Buy Apple HomePod, Apple website, okay. How much is a Google Home? So these are the top results. Google Home, Go August, speaker and everything, okay, Amazon Echo. Is Amazon Echo better than Google Home?
On the web.
Okay. Is Siri better than you?
Next question.
Oh, that's a funny joke, isn't it? Not really. So, let's say we want to go to... Let's say we want to see the new features in the Google Pixel 2. What are the new features in the Google Pixel 2?
On the web.
Here's results on the web. Okay. So let's say rap for me. Here to help. Alexa. Oh no. Okay, that's okay now. Sing for me.
La 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 la. La.
Tell me a joke. Looks like it's run out of ideas for jokes there. Tell me a joke.
Why don't lobsters share? They're shellfish.
That's a really bad joke. Okay, run. Who is the owner of Google?
Organization is Alphabet.
Okay. So, who is the founder of Apple?
Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne.
How old is Steve Jobs?
56 years old when he died in 2011.
Okay. How old is Tim Cook?
7 years old.
He is 57 years old. Okay. Bye. Okay, bye. Okay. So, okay, actually, we'll give it one more task, and that is to set a timer.
Sure, for how long?
1 second.
Sure, 1 second. And here we go.
Okay. Done. Cancel timer. And it's already been cancelled. Set a timer for 10 seconds.
Alright, 10 seconds.
Cancel
Starting now.
Timer cancelled. Okay. What time is it in Dubai?
United Arab Emirates is 8:52 p.m.
Okay. What time was it 5 hours ago? It was... No, that's wrong. Oh, that's for Dubai actually. Saying Dubai's. What is the time 72 hours from now?
False.
Oh, okay. What is 24 hours from now? Okay.
From Wikipedia.
24 hours clock. Okay, whatever. Open Amazon.
Sorry, I don't know how to open that, but I can open many other apps for you.
Hey Siri. Oh, okay. Hey Siri.
I think you're getting me confused with someone else.
Thanks, bye.
Take care.
Okay, thanks for watching guys with that. Thanks. Oh wait. Is Ali's Tech a good YouTuber? Oh, okay.
Results, starting with one from YouTube.
No, we don't want that. Who is PewDiePie? I don't watch PewDiePie, by the way.
Yeah, Felix Arvid Ulf Kjellberg, known online as PewDiePie, is a Swedish web-based comedian and video producer.
Okay, that's a really hard to say name. Net worth.
PewDiePie appeared at the top of Forbes' October 2015 list of the richest YouTube stars with a reported $12 million earned in 2015.
That's rubbish. Bye.
I'll try to do better next time.
Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you later in the next video. Subscribe, like and share, and make sure you watch more Ali's Tech.